So we're building a snack tray. So
Cultural cooking with Terra.
This is a beautiful silver tray that I bought from Amazon online.
Pretty cheap.
Yeah, sorry, I do enjoy my Amazon. Okay, a lot of people are against them right now, but I do enjoy it. So what we're going to do is we're going to build this beautiful snack tray for the two of us, for two people, for the holidays. A lot of times we like to graze and be healthy and not overeat. So, excuse me, could we...
I'm sorry, that hummus is really good.
Yeah, so we just made the black tapenade, the black olive tapenade right here.
See the previous video?
We have it in the green ramekin. I have cut celery and carrots, really easy. Some open halo clementines, and I just I separate them out, but I leave them attached to the rind because
beautiful.
It looks good, but it also smells good. Makes the room smell good.
It does smell good.
A little bit of French onion.
French onion dip.
French onion dip. And we'll get my little spoons. I am a fan of little tiny silverware. So sometimes it's nice to be able to not get your hands messy.
You should see her pottery. She'll make these little tiny sculptures of food like
yes.
sushi
And then I have the hummus. Now we're gonna see how I exchanged the colors. Orange, orange, white, celery.
Green.
We're gonna put green. We're gonna put hummus, which is a paler version of orange, right here in this little area. A nice big amount.
Like I said in the last video, you can top that with paprika or something to give it a reddish
Now normally,
color.
I want these spoons all to be in a row because I take a picture of my food before we actually eat it. Okay, then we would normally put meat and cheese on this tray.
Oh yeah.
But we're not going to today, right? For this tray, because we have two proteins. We have three proteins here.
What?
We have dairy. We have bean protein. We have olives with olive oil. We don't need meat necessarily. Not on this tray. So we're going to find an open box of wheat because now we have to put our grains in, or our wheat, or our fiber. So we're going to put, not fiber, we're going to put some beautiful, also brown right here. Some beautiful wheat thins. Your cracker of choice. I just love these little wheat thins because they're not overly salty. They're just perfect. And they're the right size. They're not super big. And this is the creme, the thing that ties everything together during the season. It is the ginger snap. And believe it or not, the ginger snap you can eat with savory and sweet. I dipped this in my Asian broth the other day. It was delicious. Also, tea and coffee. You can use this as a cracker. It's a beautiful ginger cookie. And it's just a beautiful thing. It's better than gingerbread.
Yeah.
And its versatility. It doesn't taste like heavy of molasses and things. That's gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Okay. So that is a Mediterranean snack plate without the meat and cheese. Then later we'll do one with the meat and cheese. Okay.
There's meat and cheese.
Yeah, we'll do that on the next one. We gotta...
See you on the next one, guys.
Yes. Thank you.